Good morning. Today we are going to present our project one. Our group members are me, JAYKESAV, Ko Yang Min, and LOKESHZDHARAN. Okay, for the report introduction of the system, Microsoft Power BI combines Power Query and Power Pivot technology with a user-friendly charting and reporting interface in an enterprise-friendly dashboard. Reporting and sharing framework. Accountants can use Power BI to extract, transform, and analyze data from a multitude of sources in real time. Power BI Desktop is the primary tool that you will use to get and transform data, build calculations, and produce reports. This is what a financial planning and analysis team might use to generate and manage the report process. You do not even need to pay for it. Okay. For the problem statements, the ability to find specific data in a large data volume, providing the users with an easy search of datasets. Okay. Then for the second problem statement, one of the reporting one of reporting is time consuming. Power BI helps you to access your data instantly with less manual work. It can handle a huge amount of data, making it easy to decipher using advanced visualization. Only tech teams can create business reports. Microsoft Power BI is a user-friendly and simple tool that can be used by anyone, even by non-experienced Power BI people. Okay. For the objectives, it first objective is to allow users to divide complex data models by subject area into separate diagrams, multi-select objects, and set common properties, view and modify properties in the properties pane, and set display folders for simpler consumptions of complex data models. To the second one is to allow business analysts to ingest, transform, and integrate and enrich big data into the Power BI web service. Ingested data can be shared across multiple Power BI models, reports, and dashboards. Third objective is to provide developers with sample code and application program interface APIs for embedding the Power BI dashboard in other software products. The fourth objective is to allow developers to change the appearance of default visualization and reporting tools and import new tools into the platform.
Okay, now we are going to talk about how we create this database. And first, we create an balance sheet in Excel, and we have entity 1 until entity 7, and we organize it by date and the account also, and the total amount will show in the balance sheet. And for the budget one, we have same entity and date we are from 2017 until 2018, and we have grouped by revenue, cost of revenue, and salary and benefit, and other income and more. And the budget will show, and we will insert those budget into it. And for the job of account, also same, we have entity 1 until 7 and account column, and then the category have revenue, cost of revenue, and other expense, vehicle cost, repair and maintenance, and advertising, financial cost and interest. And we have grouped by other income, revenue, and cost of revenue, and utilities and other. datas, for the data, we have it in the CSV file, and the category has asset and the liability. And for the group of assets, we have current asset and fixed assets. And for the liability category, we have current liability and non-current liability, and the equity of shareholders. And we have subgroup like cash and banks and other. And we have year from 2017 until 2018 and month from January to December. For the for the income statement, we have also the same entity 1 until 7 and the date and organized by date, then the account, and then the amount. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to present in no, now I'm going to show our Power BI.
For this Power BI, we got like three sections. The first section is financial overview. In this, we have used the KPI to create the revenue and total COGS, gross profit per person, net profit per person, and then we used line and clustered column chart for operating profit over time and net profit over time. And for asset and liabilities, we used the uh, multi-row cut to present the total assets, current asset and fixed asset, cash and bank balance, deposit advance, inventory, and so on. For G&A expenses, we use funnel chart to present the data in it. And for this time period, we have used month and then benchmark we have used versus last year, which is 2017, 2018 versus 2017. For the entities, we have used all the five entities, seven entities. And then for select financial years, we have used 2017 and 2018. And for month, we have used all the months. And for the income statement, we have used funnel chart for the KPI funnel. And then for the trend and facing, we have used the line and clustered column. And then for the balance sheet, we have used uh, matrix table to show all the content in the 2017 assets. That's all from our Power BI. Thank you.